Worst advice that I see? Learn to code so you can build everything yourself. I see this all over the place. Courses, YouTube videos, content creators, all saying the same thing. If you want to run a successful AI agency, you need to learn the tools. Learn N8N, learn Make. Learn to build voice agents. Learn to code if you have to. I do understand why it sounds right. I mean, more skills equal more capability, right? Wrong. And here's why. Would you tell a real estate agent to learn construction to build a house that they can sell? Of course not. That would make them a worse real estate agent, not a better one, because they'd be spending their time learning a completely different profession. An agency is a sales and relationship business. The technical execution is a separate discipline, and treating them as the same thing is why so many agency owners are stuck at 60-hour work weeks, yet still not breaking past 10K a month. The best agencies I've seen operate on a completely different model. They are world-class at finding the right clients, understanding their problems, and managing long-term relationships. Everything else, the actual system architecture, the deployment, the ongoing maintenance, that's handled by a specialist partner. They don't dilute their focus by trying to be good at everything. They double down on the thing that actually brings in the revenue. Selling. You don't need to become a developer to run an AI agency. You need to become a better closer. Comment truth below if you felt this tension in your business.